find yourself a safe point. You have been ensuring, taking all that trouble to get us all the latest, all the close visuals and all the inside scoop as well. So Munish Pandey continues to be with us. But Munish, if I can ask you again, that are we expecting, or do you have any information that the team may return to the house tomorrow, or they will now perhaps want to shift to other aspects of the autopsy report, send it to the All India Institute of Medical Sciences team led by Dr. Sudhir Gupta. They will want to question Riya Chakrabarti now. That's also getting delayed. So there will be now added additions. They are done with the house for now, likely according to your sources.
Yeah, well, Pooja, this is the third day for the Central Bureau of Investigation in Mumbai, the SIT team. Now, in 3 days, it has been a very action-packed all 3 days. And the first priority of the CBI is to rule out whether it's a case of murder or it's a case of suicide. The second priority is, if it is a case of suicide, then what led Sushant take this step. Now, for that thing, they need something concrete, because there is not much of evidence. Whatever they have got it from Mumbai police. So first they analyzed the photograph of the crime scene, they recreated the crime scene. The second focus is on the 3 witnesses, because these are the 3 persons who know everything about what happened on 13th and 14th, and especially on 14th. There is no one else who can give the exact testimony of about 14th. So
and therefore, very curious, Munish, why are their statements so inconsistent? I request you to please stay on with me, because we want to look at all angles. We want to look at specifically the scientific versions that are available, and that will give a better lead to the agencies possibly. So the controversy now over is also of a missing timestamp. But I want to also stay with these visuals. Our teams are tracking. So on the right side, you can see the CBI team that is leaving. The visuals Munish got us. On the other, these are the vehicles on the streets of Mumbai amid a heavy downpour. So remember what Munish just told us. He told us that today, this was a smaller batch of the Central Bureau of Investigation team. On the first day, there were about 9 vehicles. There were about 24 officers, including the 2 people, Siddharth Pithani and the cook. But now, today, there were 3 people, including with another house manager, Dipesh Sawant. And therefore, while the team is now heading, they have also been told that these 3 men, very crucial with their testimonies, are not going to be let go right away. They are being kept at a guest house. It's a DRDO guest house. That's where the team has ensured they stay put together, so that perhaps they're not able to interact anymore, or perhaps change their stance in any way, or just get away, because they, according to Munish Pandey also telling us, are perhaps the most crucial. They are the ones who saw the late actor before and after, and they will have the most crucial aspects to mention, because otherwise, with Riya Chakrabarti, she was not there, as of now, information coming in at the house at that point. So therefore, she is facing other kind of accusations, but for people to have been there, for the locksmith to have been called, they are clearly in very significant position. Munish, as I return to you, we are staying with some of these visuals of the vehicles that are on their way now, likely to the guest house. So today as well, do you think that these 3 people are going to be put up in the same guest house? They're not going to be let go right away?
Yeah, of course, Pooja, because remember, this 3 days of grilling, Neeraj has been questioned thrice, Siddharth has been questioned twice, Dipesh has been questioned twice by the CBI. Now, why CBI is grilling so much only these 3 people? Because till now they have only questioned about 13th and 14th. Now the focus on these 3 people will shift from 6th of June to 12th of June, because CBI thinks that if it is a case of suicide, then there is some connection between June 8, the day Riya left, and June 14, when Sushant died. So this is something which is the CBI, according to CBI, is going to be important, because they want to understand that what happened on 6th and 7th, that Riya left. Was there any fight between Sushant? And once Riya left, was any of the person out of these 3 in contact with Riya Chakrabarti? If any person was in contact, then why was the person in contact with? What was he talking to Riya Chakrabarti? Was there any instruction from Riya Chakrabarti? So these are going to be something very important. This has happened between 6th June to 12th June. So this now in the second leg of questioning of these 3 people, CBI will be questioning about what happened between 6th June and 12th June. Also, they will analyze the behavior of Sushant Singh Rajput through the statement given by these three people, because if after Riya left, how Sushant was feeling, did he meet anyone?
Yes.